What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. We have Rochelle, you see me I say, and K at it, you see me. I'm gonna share that with Uno, cause you know say every now and then them back and forth. This time them cool off, then next time them at war again, you see me I say. So I'm gonna share what them are going with you. Now we also have Rosealee, my people, that talk about GX and her relationship since the breakup and why GX come over yard come link her. You see me I say. So it look like say GX about to get back the work with people, cause you are going, you know, no? Rosealee now get no regular wood, you know. You see me? And when Rosealee all dep on live and beat up all two aisle, you see me? Who she a go call? You know what I mean? Me don't tell you no say no. It pickings when it come to a woman we reach certain age, you know. It pickings out a road not really up there like that, you know. So you have to take what you get, you see me? So we are gonna get into that, my people. We also have Ivany. Look like say Ivany want freak out GX with people. We are gonna make you know here what go on this up. You see me? And dime I know my people. I try to make the people them know say the type of things them what them a give. You see me? Nobody come give the people them anything. Give people them good sensible something. You know what I mean? And analyze my people. People here say, oh, a person house blue mash up everything gone ray. You know what I mean? Them take up anything. Give people. All some whole broke. The people them want it, yes, but give the people them better things. You know what I mean? So make we get in it, my people.
The only way my mother get my last money unless she's sick. Me don't know no father, so I know the part they go. No. We are go back to it now. Let me tell you now. The reason why Rochelle, are you again? I mean, me not cuss today, no, because I don't want to cuss you. I no reason for cuss you. I no more reason for cuss you. Everybody see what you do. Your ball game just played out. Because you make video and say me bully you. Then you make back a video and tell you and say me couldn't bully you. You get your goodies, you love them? When you see them there, right? We are do recap, you know. Remember say she make video and say when she pregnant, I put her in a postpartum and this and that. And then after she have the baby and she tough up back herself, she come say, Kay couldn't bully me, cause when me I go to school, me a bad girl, this, that. I just make she do her thing. Right? So, as always, you're very contradicting. Cause you like clothes, you like when me call your name. Cause right now, nothing now go on for you, no, Rochelle. And me make you make money right now. And in no head don't know how use me. But if me hate a girl so much, I not even want to make money off her. True or false? If me hate a girl so much, I can't sit down in my head and know say, you know, so because I call a girl and name me and make her money. You idolize me, bitch. And me make you eat. Because without me and you argue upon the interblood clot net, Rochelle, nobody remembers you. If you don't argue with me, Rochelle, you still hungry on TikTok. You know, see the first argument where you chat screen record, me see always share say you can't done now, can nobody now answer you. A 2 times me cuss you. And you cuss me for 2 weeks straight. So all you have to eat one girl and I cuss one girl for 2 weeks straight. You see, if me the answer you like when you breed, and you that do your whole heap of fuckery where you that do and I drag me, say me a trouble you. So each time you call me name, and them tell them I call back your name. And when you do your alligator tears and ball for me and the things them, that's why I rub you. You can't manage me now, and you know that. No, this is Rochelle trait of making her money off me. Each time Rochelle do a video and it go over 1 minute TikTok PR. So when Uno follow her up and comment, she's smart. It's a smart move. Because me and Vani have one episode, as usual, when I rent time for Vani. And she there in the comment section them. And Rochelle class, and Rochelle at people, and Rochelle laugh. If you go into the screen recording, you will definitely buck her up. Uno no see it. Cause me know me no blind. Uno no see it. Uno no see her in the comment section. When me and Vani go at it one night, yeah. She there in the comment section them. And she trouble me and she play her hand. And anybody class me, she at them and class back. Right? She do all of that. But when me come out here, so now come say, every video, once me involved, she underneath it. She don't make no video with me pass. Right? Fine. So what is the problem? If me and you is not friend, this is what I want to ask you now. If me and you is not friend, me not like you, you not like me, we cuss or we don't cuss. You will never see me in one comment section of class, Rochelle. Because that's a foolishness to me. Me class girl brawling. Me not do comment section cussing and follow up. Me cuss girl brawling. So me ask you something now. Because remember she saw me come back con trouble her. She do 5 video. She do 5 video. Go up on her page, just see 5 video. Remember say me call her name one time last night. Me not team up with girl. To oh you want bring me down, you go friend a girl with done you. More than urban done you, and you go look friend. Vani class and done you, and you go look friend. So anybody against me, you go look friend. You can't so desperate, girl. You're too desperate. You don't see how me a feed you? You don't see when you're hungry, you have to call cake name to eat something. Me a full your belly. I am feeding you. You eat a girl who a feed you. And me a feed you, Rochelle. So she told me why you have money for November. That's why me a call your name. Cause without me, you're hungry, kill you upon TikTok. Tell the people them. So when you say she do all of this and make one bag of video about me, every video will go over 1 minute. TikTok PR feed. So Rochelle, can I run down TikTok for $3 and $5 and them money there? Eh? How much money you make off from with your 5 video? Come show people them. So me could have upset. Me no want no girl when me eat feed me. True or false? Me no want no girl who no found no go look pan it as a smart, she smart. But here one now. Here one now. Me no want no girl who eat me feed me. Me no want make no money off no girl who eat me. Me no want make no money off no girl who eat me can't feed me. Me no want make no video with no girl for make no money off it when me eat like poison. Can me go those pieces say other girl me make money off her? No. When she trouble me, remember me and her cousin done, me no mention her, she there in a comment section and mention me. So why when me come out here come tell her brawling, go suck her mother me a troublemaker, you no make me understand that part there. Me want understand it. If somebody text and rub you out, and you can rub them out brawling, how am I? And me I bully. How am I the bully? Remember say me and her cousin done. And me and other people in her cousin and she a follow it up. Everywhere she see me for a screen recording, she follow me up. So how am I bullying her? Make me understand it again.
Well, my people, me nah have no, what them say, nah have no dog in the fight. I saw them say, and that are the saying. Well, me just want to say this. See, first of all, you know what I mean, me not dey on nobody's side. But, okay, first did go say some things to Rochelle and Robert the wrong way. And the two of them dey on social media to make money. So why not utilize whatever go on, you know what I mean, and milk it and make some money. And that Rochelle I do. You see me I say, and that's smart. That is just my opinion. Tell me what you think in the comments. Make you watch some more.
Nobody now got that. Me a weird. So if somebody throw a word pan you, texting, and you throw back word pan them brawling, I don't think that a fair ball game. If she takes her in a comment section a class me, and me come back for my life, come class her back. No fear ball game. Remember say me not do it for no money. Remember say me not follow up no girl for no money. Remember say if me a trouble, if me a go class you, me a class you brawling and tell you go suck your mother Rochelle. Me not have to dey in a comment section. So if you're there in a comment section and trouble me a go come for my life, come diss your pussy. What you try prove to the people them? So it just proves say you are an undercover troublemaker to make your money. A class for class. So your class me in a comment section, me click my live and class you back. Your class me in a comment section. Anybody have nothing bad to say about me, you at them and no class me. So why when me click my live and class you come call Cree and say you're not trouble nobody? A rub for rub girl, you have to know a ball game go. But just because you feel like say Jamaican people no ready, them no see not no. Me no hide and class, no girl pan this. Me can't do it brawling. You are nothing but the blood clot girl who cry wolf. I saw you stay. Remember say me no say nothing to you last night, you know. Remember say me see your class me and one thing me say to you, you start crash out, you know. Me say you come pan, me say all you Rochelle she when me a cuss everybody last night. Me say all you blood clot Rochelle. You, me not argue with you. Cause you come on TikTok and make a whole world eat dinner. And now we live for see dinner and kick you off a screen. I saw that bunny. We sit down and make a whole world class dinner. I will watch you run up in a dinner for dinner and kick you off a screen. Your dinner shouldn't even depend on blood class screen to where you 80 man class in my worse. So you know say you want troublemaker. You know say you are culprit. So you not see it. So no, fun and joke aside chat. To all Rochelle class blood clot the near and bring him down and him are the worst thing. You know really did I look for see about Rochelle and Dinier pan screen for Dinier and put her off and I say when you diss me add your back. In a plane so she run up in the boy. Then you can't give people them one long explanation mode. Nobody know why in a no blood clot explanation nothing with your girl. Why do you should sit down and do one long explanation? We not do no more explanation. TikTok not do no more explanation about the near. With the things that you know don't make every and a lie. Look back on the screen recording. Look back on the screen a screen recording me say. A screen recording she class her baby father every day. To everybody else. To all Rochelle do dinner after everybody on TikTok with class them man, she did him the worst. Right? We don't care who send for who. To all Rochelle blood clot go on, she and dinner should not depend on the screen. Cause remember say the worst. Hello? We don't care how I go. Wait. Well, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check myself. Hold on. Me no see no 5. Me no see. No. Listen to me. From always, me no give a fuck about no girl and them man. But to all people class and behave bad, to all she the class and behave bad. We never know say could I reach us if we no add one another past screen. We don't care who add who. We don't care who add who. You're still making come hype on your girl. Cause me must say man the worst him beneath the bottom. Other picture that you paint about him, you know. Him the worst man who ever exist on earth. Him beneath the bottom. Invested? As she invested in a me? No she a walk on a trouble me? As she walk and trouble me, dear. You know one of them. Leave Rochelle alone. Leave it. Tell Rochelle to stop coming.
The only thing where can stop me if I'm getting back with me is me. So anything that belongs to him, I have to get it back. So if a boy belongs to me, I have to come back. And don't come talk about how fire sick is the catch. But I say though, him have the local perps I fuck on my bed. Him have the local perps there. Him video in here. Him class me Lie, him class me Sky Diamond. Him class me with Chevy. Him class me with Sassy. And him still can't believe me out of all of the person in the world. Still chat to him and do have no problem. I mean I hate him. You have to move on and let go and not to be bitter. I mean I hate him. Well I want bossy across the board still. That's my boo. A baby. You know what I mean? Let me hanging out with him. Him nice in a chat. Me I go on if him not gonna make him hang out next week. But your class, my class, anybody don't want a class, Rana. Leave Jakes alone. Jakes is not the issue here. Make him stay. Jakes alright. You know how fast with him? I have to live good. Yeah. Me and my boo have to go spend some quality time. A long time I want to sit down and relax for one life. Pan. One life together. The true real fancy and blush like a Tamara and Jules them. We'll get them on the back one of them there. Next one day and next week. Just the woman lie down and relax, contented, and life the power with us attack. Yeah, on have a rub feed, on the blushing in the chat. Yeah, remember in the chat, and the boy Arts told me, you know. The boy Arts told me. Yeah. You love my bad? Yeah. Lord, I can't wait. I know I can't wait. Me go ask him. I want him to come meet me and him sit down and click live and it just sit down and
Barbz!
Eh?
Barbz! Give me 5 more minutes there. Make sure you live.
Alright.
Yeah, I have 5 minutes, sis.
I'm gonna ask him when they're doing it here. When I send the money, Keisha. When you send here the money, I'll do my hair. Chat on a run, go recharge. We play a best out of 6 with Rosealee. So everybody if you intervene. Or if you enter the ranks. So on the run, go recharge. We play a best out of 6 with Rosealee. Remember I work, I come. Espa, oh you going to stay tonight, Espa? And I'm at them can't show my lion tonight. R2. Every night you lose over there, you know? You can run, go recharge. Because so can do. Yeah. It's been a while.
Hey, my people, you know what I notice? You all are the top woman them on TikTok. I remember them, you know? All of them are remembered. You know, see? So, make you watch some more, my people. Tell me what you think.
Chord. Yeah, it's been a long while. My baby in the lie down and, you know, relax yourself together. Foot pan him. Long time now go so. And they gotta make me, you know, cause the boy hard choose me. Yeah, and them did I run up, yeah. People boy fuck me when which yeah you on the light bring down? Me see a text. On the light bring down? When boy I choose y'all when I have to do nothing. A blood clot. We might not be the perfect couple. But the boy I chose me. I pay standing of the bumbo. Fuck that. I pay standing ovation me game. Standing ovation. Boy I chose me. It's not all of a sudden a chat when I share out the life around go reach out to I pay the series with 6. It's not all of a sudden, you know, stop report the lady. Then I report no life. I want a good girl. Standing ovation and them hate it. Me see all the rotten pussy can they run up. Like my man want all madman fuck no. All madman fuck no. No one want come in argument with me. Get an argument with me? I know my pussy good. I'm a baby father want me to look on him. And one of my say come fuck up my hole now. If you come take a look at time and come start fuck up back hole, when you look him reach back in here, me not do that. The feel betrayal is deep, me not look. Me not look. So you know me do? Me abstinence. Me not look. And boss ready, I'm ready. On your way. Why? Yeah. The boy come fuck him all and him say what him like fuck passionately. I wonder why. What do him? When by it's serious, what do him? But say, Rose, can you please call your about serious? What wrong with him? What wrong with him? I'm supposed to cry. Wait till the come and find our life. Warm to him. Just run go recharge. So we can kick off that ball around there. Warm to him. Tell me that woman not upset my spirit. I tell him not upset my spirit. I'm a growing a drop out. Whoa! Yeah. Face cut about that them beat me. Ow. A mistake. Come chat, me could try now.
And they're moving fast. Okay.
Juggling. You ready, sis?
Some people tell me what you think in the comment section. Me not talk too much, but as me see Rosealee, me remember say Rosealee brother did a look Rosealee. So yeah, tell me what people, you feel like say Rosealee brother would have deal with Rosealee, like don't cheat on her and deal with her better than how GX deal with her. Tell me in the comment section, because me not see that no people. Me not tell you no lie. Him a go cheat on her same way. As me say, my people, every man cheat. You see me? But he look like say GX over.
Chat, share it live, guys. Share it live, please. Everybody share it live, chat. Power up the screen and share it live.
What up, my team?
Chat, spam bracelet team.
What's up, Spooky?
Share it live, team. Share it live, guys. Chat and share it live. Share it live. Please, tap share it. Tap and share. Tap and share, chat. Share live to everybody. Dari, please no go away. Please no go away. Please no go away, Dari. A long time I no beg you. Please. Now I beg you one help, Dari. No go away, sit here, girl. No go away, please, Dari. Chat, power up the screen, chat. Series I'll start soon. Share up the live, chat. If me pint in the sky, them boy they too light, them look like baboon. I chat, see it on them. Ready. Who have gloves, chat? No, 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 gloves. Alright, chat.
What up, my team?
First triple chat.
Come on, chat. First gift triple. Thank you, Eartha. Come on, guys. We could use the first triple. First gift triple chat. First gift triple. Top girl, sure. Thank you. First gift triple chat. First gift triple. First triple. First triple. Come on, my team. Come on, chat. First gift triple. First gift triple chat. Guys, we could try today. Can't get beaten every night. When I want can't tell when I'm on a post. Yes, we can't tell it. Can't get beaten every last night. Can't get beaten every night. We'll try tonight. Can't get beaten every night. You see him not answer. Seven person, one rose. Seven rose strat. Triple chat. Come on, chat. I could use the times 3. Come on, chat. Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Come on, chat. Use the times 3. 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 Use the times 3, chat. Use the times 3, chat. Use the times 3, chat. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Guys, we can't snipe a triple. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Snipe a triple. Snipe a triple. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Snipe, chat. You might go to the hospital. Come on, chat. Click on the gloves and shoot. Use the gloves, chat. Guys, make we use the gloves. Make we use the gloves, chat. Make we use the gloves. 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 Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Come on, chat. We don't know wheel can't put on it. Where am I do at the hospital? Team, no rose dime. Wicked girl dime, no rose. We have more gloves shot. Who have another gloves shot? Who have another gloves shot? We have more gloves team. We don't have more gloves shot. Focus on my team. We don't have more gloves. We don't have more gloves shot. Snipe chat. Snipe. Snipe chat, snipe chat, snipe chat. Sniper chat! Thank you, Jesus. Blood clot. Thank you, my babies. The top person, thank you. Chat, what try give me 6 tonight in a chat. Jones, you have gloves and t-shirt. Thanks, everybody. Chat, we don't make a go with the gloves, them. Chat, me go work on the first gift triple. Make we run for them, chat. First gift triple. Guys, we can't win 5 games straight. First gift triple, chat. Urfa, thank you. First gift triple. First gift triple. Keisha. First gift triple, chat. Come on, guys. We go use the first gift triple. Yes, yes. Alright, Matthews. Come on, guys. First gift triple.
Eh?
Where I said no, guys, thank
No,
you.
me I say, I must say you're responsible. There's a responsible mother. I see my sister. When we can protect and spoil.
So then, me have to be a part of your family now. Oh, Jesus.
But she not go so brown like the
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Me not talk too long, me go watch some more.
the brown one, cause I say like brown baby, but she not go so brown and she go want more of a Shanta.
So that means that my daughter gonna be Shantu and baby with her brother and sister.
Chat, the first speed double chat.
How the family reunion I go? Chat double.
Chat, anything for the first speed chat. The first gift double chat, the first gift
Chat
double.
May I tell you,
First gift double
DJ,
chat.
30 seconds. Guys, we are drop glove 30 seconds.
But a 6 we are here, so we know we do a whole team there, man. Because she got 10 my team, so we can't get a 6. Team, we are here 6. You see it? I better back us to make it 6.
If you promise you want back us?
Eh?
Me or my friend say?
Where say?
No problem.
Wait.
The family 9, I don't know if you want to know, but the family like corn, and stuff. Tomorrow, we're going to find out what's KFC rate, and then
Chat, what should you say? Whatever you should say, what should you say? Press the gloves, show up on the gloves.
Yeah,
Show up on the gloves.
I do it some guinea or mango, or if them have mango, black mango.
Use a thanks, Jinley, love and love alone, use and Jinley, thanks.
Double
Yes.
Actually, no, it's surrounding. That's why I keep on wake up because new. Double. Guys, look here. Look how Jamaica fed out.
Jinley, the first
Look
glove,
on the picture. Unnecessary, I see this.
The first
I want
glove.
to see what I go on. When you are flying over the ocean, it does look like this. You realize? And a mud, dirty water, this, you know. So I look like Hawaii, the pussycat. Clean, green water, river water. You know, see?
I don't Jamaica that, bro.
Dirty water.
No way in Jamaica can't stay, sir, bro. We do have flooding, but not like that. You crazy, brother, man.
So stay so come sis if people them at Jamaica surf in the water down your road.
The surf in the water, AI that.
Jamaican then have one little boat something.
Westmoreland and
And
water.
a swim a go down.
Westmoreland and flatland.
See somebody say yes, that's my community, that's real.
Flat like a bomb into blood clot.
Somebody said that's my community, that real.
South whole of Westmoreland flat.
Oh, somebody trying to do me something with the sweetie. Follow, add me on Snap. A pair of things are going over Snap. What is this? Like when people then start coming across Snapchat, I'm so black them. Come on, chat. Everybody work together. Let me see how much. We need me I rank up till 2 a.m. now. Come here, going now.
You rank till when?
2 a.m. One go B.
Chat.
B1.
10 o'clock me I come off.
Come on, team. Use the gloves, chat. Use the gloves and this a 6 year when my try give me. Use the gloves. I need 17k more. No, me have to rank up more. Me the 30%. Me the 30%. To get 3 more fragments for go H3. Me not coming off. Chat, shoot. Oh, Jesus. What a hard man for dead. Guys, thank you.
Babies, may I ask me, please. We're going to some recharge. I'll get a 6 and move. By them time then, I'm supposed to reach 10 o'clock. When I can't get to scroll to the app and watching the videos also. When I'm going to stress on them. That's it.
So no call, but they put 3, I'm gonna get 1, maybe get 1 today. But they get 1 with today. Cause you remember my birthday match.
The first gift chat. I'm Vani. Yeah,
Me
what's
see it,
up?
me I send you, me did,
Okay.
me did a drive by me see it, me I send you. Me I send you. Chat, use the first double team, my God. Guys, you can't get my money gone.
User, make one name.
Guys,
Make
Galaxy.
one name, user.
Let me get the 6 for you.
Make one name, user.
Who cares? Who cares?
One can give you a shout out them user. Please make a name. Jenny. Lord.
Guys, I can catch a triple double and use it, man.
Flowers, girls.
I need to broke this.
Flowers, girls. 3 flowers, girls. 2 more, please. 2 more flowers, girls, chat.
Thank you. Guys, power tap chat. Me soon. Me I come off.
Here and
Me I come off.
Marceline.
10 o'clock. Match up something now.
Chat.
Come back. Triple me team, guys. Everybody use it. Triple Leah, thank you. Guys, everybody use it ×3. We are trying.
Use the ×3 chat. Use the ×3 chat.
Nobody know the Galaxy money gone well. We are trying to the 6 team. Everybody use it triple.
Chat, you should get a Galaxy.
Thank you, Leah. Guys, shoot team. See that?
We're gonna Galaxy
everybody. Chat.
Chat, we're gonna Galaxy, please. People to the Galaxy.
Forever.
Galaxy money gun, chat. Galaxy money gun.
Shoot up them blood clot ends. Cash forever, thank you, my love. Guys, everybody use it. Triple Mari, thank you. Black sheet, thank you.
Snipe it, chat.
Triple
Snipe.
team, them I go shoot.
Ginny, love and love alone, Ginny. Always.
Triple chat, them I snipe the triple.
Airport Ginny.
Chat, them I snipe it. Galaxy shoot. Mercy says no. Guys, if we have one gloves, we're gonna need to use it 30 seconds. We come too close, we can't take this. You know, give me a 6, you know?
One thing with me, you know.
Before some sure up my life.
Never lose faith in my blows and scale flowers, girls. One team vision. You see, serious cycle. We are playing for the backers there.
Cash, thank you. You see that jerk? You can sing on the mic.
See ya, DJ. I'm not a DJ, can DJ come, I'm not a singer them.
Yes,
I'm not a
thank
DJ
you.
them.
Chat gloves 30
Chat
seconds.
on the mic.
Chat gloves 30 seconds. Gloves 30 seconds.
You say you have one gloves, right?
So Drake's coming here, I forgot buy my stool. Please stand up and 2 shot. Queen, thank you.
Where's the baby girl?
But I forgot buy one stool. I walk with ice 2 step. When you know, turn up and so one ladder.
Oh, you know, my friend, you need to go and say with a short talk, you know.
Gloves, chat, gloves. Anybody have gloves, drop it 30
Use the
seconds.
boost of them, Azalea. Use the boost of them,
Gloves, chat, gloves, Jesus Christ. We don't have no more gloves.
Miss Cole.
Hey, my people, GX want put a hot one for Ivany, you know. I want to hear me see Ivany dance seductively, and GX I look at it like GX I wonder, I say, John will star him up in that. Yo, people, tell me what you think, we could watch some more, cause Ivany in a top until she create a series with Rosealee, man, eh?
Love.
DJ, no more gloves, DJ. Guys, somebody
gloves
can
and
snap this
show.
with a wheel. Sorry.
Press the gloves and
Thank
show.
you. Guys,
Chat, snipe on the gloves, chat.
power ups, they use it
Snipe
power
on the
ups.
gloves,
Use it
chat.
power
Snipe
up.
on the gloves, chat.
Every time you feel like you're gonna lose in ball. If me get a win right now,
too much
I win.
flowers. Miss Cow, ease over the flowers.
If me get 2 galaxy, me win.
Ease over the flowers, chat.
Oh, Jesus, guys, thank you.
Snipe again, team, please. The galaxy can't snipe this now. Win, chat.
Guys, share it live.
Wait, for the
MVP Cash, thank you. Share live. Leah, thank you. Black.
Ginny, baby.
Princess Megan.
Yeah, man, I'm lighting something down the gloves.
Everybody big up. Thank you, my love.
Come on, Miss Cow.
Oh God, guys, share it live. Me a try brought that 6 yeah.
Please
share it live. Me a try brought that 6 yeah.
Jesse.
I stress now like how me a lose, huh?
Love, Marceline.
How girls not like big lips? Your lips supposed to big.
Use the first speed, chat.
First triple team, first triple.
Anything
Guys, first triple.
Speed, chat. Anything for the first triple.
Guys, this is the triple that we need to use, chat. First triple team. My God, I'm going to lose. Guys, first triple chat. Baby, them asleep.
Anything for the first speed, chat. Anything for the first speed.
Princess, thank you. Thank you, my love. Right now.
When you come here.
No. When you come up here, that's the good question. When are you coming to America? I think that would be a better idea.
Direct man. So
more opportunities, better life, and things.
So far, early next year.
Roger, have a link you can give.
Better link.
Yeah. 3 Rose chat. 3 Rose chat. Thank you, Sue. 2 more
flowers, girls. 2 more flowers chat. 2 more flowers chat. 2 more flowers chat.
Anna.
1 more flowers chat.
Guys, if we not brought this,
Tamara, Unique, Love, Marceline.
Guys, use the double now, because they have gloves and we don't have no gloves.
Mary.
If we don't use the double, we get 6.
Team is 0 to 6, team is 0 to 6.
Use it, the double chat. Everybody use it times 2. Combo donut and
chat at 0 to 6. 0 to 6 chat, 0 to 6. Vanny, we are drop 6 pan. Some lion and some puss kitten. Press the gloves and show up and chat. I'm lying. Glamour there. Glamour, help me up. Please, more gear 6 because she just said we can't gear 6 a while ago. She just said the vision can't gear 6. Glamour, help, please. For the 6, Glamour. Alright. But me not can't cry, me not bad either. You're lucky. Yeah. Glamour, love alone at all times. Every time, love alone. Me say you're lucky. I can't stand it.
I am a girl.
Reach out, see me, baby girl. Reach out, see me. But, Vanny, sleep on the same side.
Could have tripped me. 30 seconds. Anybody?
Mishibu. She friend, you see?
Guys, we still can't catch up. If everybody in the live send an Anard, we catch up to him. If everybody in the live send a Hansard or combo some donut, we catch up to him. Guys, if you no power tap in live. Princess, thank you, baby. So thank you. Guys, we're not on the globes.
So, where's the
Yeah. People they cash up this up in my chat. All our sponsors have to come together.
Good job.
Enough respect. Oh yeah, alright. Yeah. Zell, we not no Zell. Yeah, Zell?
Yeah, but no for
Hey, my people, big up to Daima and figure it out. Me not lie, them a do it, my people. You see me I say, them a do it, man. You see it, so I have to big up them, my people. Big up man thing. Let me know what you thinking in the comments. Make we hear what Daima have to say.
message me.
A message if is there. God on time message number. The 572 number 4442 for the Zell. Okay? Yeah. Message for that. Generally, chat we not have to focus. Cause we need to get everything on time. Cause if we not get the right amount, we not go down the stuff. We not go so far with half a bus, you know. Half a bus, half a full. Kinda make no sense. I go waste of time. Repeat your number 572 4442. You get that? 572 4442. You alright, Maki? Let me give back something there. She know in time after me time go past me.
Look, what if this? Cause them things there's something wrong with it, you know. Look.
What?
This is a filter, yeah? Cause through them see face always peel, kill them dead, something wrong with you. This is a filter. Alright? To someone who love chat fuckery, nothing wrong with her. She's still pretty. Look on her big eye them.
Oh man.
That's a filter. She's a pretty girl, same way. You understand what I say? Now I have to show them, cause I don't want them feel that I'm a peel out.
And that they
A
must
filter. That must still have her cool melanin skin. Beautiful as ever.
So I'm in the screen. We'll catch up back here, so.
Alright, chat. Focus, my team. Power tap your screen for me, then, please, and thank
Give me
you.
this one plug in this so I can't come catch on the bed. Make get 2 bars and make that move here 7 minutes. The business for
So, chat. Watch out now. I ask you to please again, team. For anybody who can use Cash App or PayPal, so we have a live goal right as a chat. When you can support in that way. Me know no found no like me and me and no found no favorite. I know me I get it, okay? Not even a rose me not take out of it. So you see, even if the rose costs $1, I don't want it. You understand what me I say? Every single thing I go back in a donation for Westmoreland. If you even want to visit down there on yourself with any little supplies you want to have, you can give them a visit, please. If you can even go down at Westmoreland and give them a visit, even that mother asks you please for. So, Max, so you send me the first one towards the live goal. Thank you, Air Queen. May your basket never go empty, sweetheart.
See, it's something they got on time.
Alright. You can do them things, man. When I'm done, we sort all that. So, chat, watch out now. If anybody will have family members down at Westmoreland and them side, follow the page right now for me, please. Because we need uno help to locate them. So for anybody who have families in Westmoreland area, all I want to follow the page right now. Without phone help, we can't go locate which for some of the people that will actually need more help than others. So for everybody who come down that side, remember we're here helping. It's for a cause. So if you can follow and make you know, say alright then that spot there. Especially sponsors, the people them where send them money for Jamaica. Only can actually tell you where to go now, you know that, right? Remember, uno a sponsor, uno a spend no hard working money for help feed back children, grandparents and all of that. So it's not a problem if you give you a location to visit. Me and Daima is not only doing it alone. All the way, there's a group over here. So as much as I only see Two-Face, it's support big. You see me?
Yeah.
As much as I only see Two-Face, the support big over here.
But for 2 hours we are going good.
And for the 2 hours, we are going good because me and Diamond alone the 5 parish by ourselves.
Yeah, without nobody.
Without no help. Without no extra hand or nothing. Just we and we sponsors them right
Yeah,
through 5 parish. Just we and we sponsors them. When I say sponsors, I mean every single body will contribute. Even if I send a rose, even if I send $1, $2, $3, you're one of us. You see it? So I want to know that Uno did that back way and give you the strength so we can represent Uno. You see what I say? Mad thanks and mad respect. You see if I rate on 10 times, I rate on 1,000 times now. Okay. You have some people who send a contribution every single day, them send a new contribution. So I have thank you very much, darling. I appreciate it. You're queen. God bless you to princess. No joke. So sponsors them everybody. See more sponsors a day with the rose them. Thank you and a sweetheart. Appreciate you. Right through. Wakefield, Trelawney. Make we focus on West for Sunday first. We don't promise them so alright, that's how we are go, so we are focused on them because them really want help right this, alright? No disrespect, but make we focus on that one spot there. As when I tell you now more children that up there, so you know when they come on to kids, for me a baby, you know. You know when it come on to kids, me a baby, so alright, that's how me I go back. Me only have one place to go back away Sunday. I mean, I divert and make it devil lead. Me go nowhere else.
No.
Right, that's what I go back.
Time.
Because the people them right, that's I need extra help. So me I make sure say me focus all of my attention right there. So and chat, me nah go stop big on. Me need no help for go down there. Yeah? God bless Serena. No. God bless you. No joke, princess. Respect for the galaxy queen. Donna, big up for your rose them. Chat. Power tap the screen and share the life to anybody who have family member. Another day, definitely. Why not? Me love this. Me love what we are doing. If me could have go down there every day and get a bus road, go down there, me do it. But you know say people work hard and all the time we can make miracles happen. But whenever we can do it, we like to do it. And all the time we can make miracles happen, man. People life hard, but we appreciate every single help we get so far.
Yeah.
TikTok big and a whole heap of support we get. But guess I go on and we're grateful same way. Make sure you rest too. We rest when we can, but we're more focused on them. On a rest time now, you see me?
You not tell me when to rest so we are help people.
On a rest time now, we rest when we can, man.
God knows we hold everybody. When time at time for everybody give way, he will give way. I don't time for that now.
That did that last night?
Last night everybody
told me tired in a chat.
That's why we don't do no working today.
That's why we don't do no working today, you know. You know, said me I come in. I drop and sleep on the steering. And my head me have to push out through the window and I get all fever because I
drop asleep on him, I drop asleep on him.
My head me push out through the window the whole time I come on the toll. All fever, me catch feet to blow it clot. But me know God now make me sick. God give me health and strength same way. You see me? You see through on the window down and the bus silent. Push me through just to make it wake me up. You got home safe. Rosealee, thank you. But that's why I'm showing you that's how hard we are work. You see me? That's how hard we are work, chat. Sometimes I don't want to do it, you know, but sometimes I have to get up and get this thing done. Not because I want to, but because I have to.
I can't get people never poor house. People not poor leave. I don't have poor, so I get better clothes than one and call me if you come pick up. No, call me if you pick up my rubbish. Tell them for no. Cause anyone me pick up no up me not. You say if I rubbish, no call me. We don't want to carry all this bag of. When we get one bag of blood clot clothes, me said figure sinus nearly kill me nearly dead. Then face bump up instant. Instant the man face bump up. We bust the bag. Cockroach, you look. You see cockroach to a drop out of somebody clothes them. Camphor ball that kill you to blood clot and rise up your sinus. You want to tell me something can't show me now one machine look stop and rinse them out? Cause you know you have some people with you 2 piece of dog.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're gonna go over Rochelle and hear Rochelle have a scene. So we can watch some more and then go over Rochelle.
Well then we already and one wear and it look good. Try to soft lamp on him and box them up. Man, I'm giving all dirty clothes, my people, my human being, man. I just say one screen record where big and sweet say, and if she hurt, we know. If we hurt, we... K cannot hurt nobody.
Okay, everybody know you as this big old. Me never hear a story say you see a girl in a real life and beat them. And okay, you have to go promise to beat them because I load more. Yes, because you load, you feel like you load more, make you feel like a bad girl. But I get it because if your man class you as a bad dog, that means he has you as a dog. You are a dog, so you bark loudly. Okay, sweetheart? So the time when I did I send trick to me, I trick know who you want, stab her who you want, do that. Don't waste your time and energy, girl. Don't waste your time and energy, because everybody know you as a big, old, loud woman, long time big woman who just married so much time and miserable. You're just a lady who's miserable, and because the people them not giving you their money and the people them now make you tell them what you do with their money, you're vexed. So the only way to clap back and get some money is to bring down me or Mackerel or Ivany, and we get it. We name been a trainer. Anytime you call that girl a name, y'all go get the views. Anytime you call me name, you go get the views. So I get it. But as I say, me now will clip my life here this time around because I am too busy helping people who is in need. Okay, sweetheart? Maybe you should try that too. Try it and see. But the people them not give them money. Yeah, thief. It's okay. So I'm never got answer, you know, because I'm too busy organizing, packing and making sure that my people them I go another parish for make sure so the people them get some food to eat, right? Okay, where you find the time and effort, yeah? Okay, and my fault make the people them not trust because them know you're a thief, you know. And my fault make the people them not sending you their money because to me, I see so much screamer card that I tell the people them what to do with their money. If the people them want to send barrel, make the people them send barrel. If the people them want to donate, make the people, you're not telling people them what to do. I see I tell the people them, oh, in next 2 months time barrel I go last. You're just a sad female because you're not getting the people their money. And at times you demand people money and tell the people them what to do with their money. A serious time now. If they want to go to a store and pack a barrel and ship it off, by grace the people them are going to get it. Who you think it is for tell the people them say them barrel I go last? You walk there? Okay, you know say you're a sad big woman. You know, saying that you know, I never like answer you because I know anytime my money I run for a certain way. You know the only way to get that money, okay? I have to call me name. I understand, girl. I understand, say, I have to call me name because I saw you get the money. I understand, baby. So here what I'm going to make you do now. I make you go and make you 2 little chillings. Because I'm not going to give the time of my dear girl. Girl, I got 1 parish already. And tomorrow I go another parish. Because my people, them I do it. But you don't know nothing in teamwork. Because you're too busy with your big load, big old mouth. You're too busy. I use it wrongfully. To where you say you love man and how you love rev out your own. Go and rev out your own and help back the people them who in need now. Because a lot of my people them will support me, for them family get house get damaged. So right now them may attend to me, not have time for you right now. I'm not going to waste my time and my energy. But I know I look come back here look. I know you fall off right through. I see yourself $50 bangle. $50 bangle. $50 for 1 bangle. You don't see hot girl them, all of the hot girl them go up on Shein and buy the whole set of bangle for $10. Me, nobody in this a hard time I go take up myself buy $50 bangle. And if you solve the case, mama, hustle where you have to hustle. But not because the hustling and come in fast enough, you feel like say if you rock back for my name, girl. Remember when I come for me, I go come for you, you know? All in a serious times like this, you know. I'm not supposed to give time on my day, you know, girl. You're not nothing for the girl. You're just big and so and lazy for your big old unfixable body. Girl, stop calling my name, because I don't see you. Me circle you back after the storm, and when the people them get some more help, me circle you back, girl.